no man, no weapon formed against, yes, glory is destined. Everyday women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtaposition in us. Justice for all just ain't specific enough. One son died, the spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. When it go down, we woman and man up. They say stay down, and we stand up. Shots be on the ground, the camera panned up. King pointed to the mountaintop, and we ran up.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, glory, 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 glory. Now the war is not over. Victory isn't won. We'll fight on to the finish. And when it's all done, we'll cry glory. Oh, glory.
Selma is now for every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with the torch, we gon' run with it now. Never look back, we done gone hundreds of miles. From dark roads, heroes, to become a hero. Facing the League of Justice, his power was the people. Enemy is lethal, a king became regal. Saw the face of Jim Crow under a bald ego. No one can win the war individually. It take the wisdom of the elders and young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. The coming of the Lord, my eyes have seen the glory.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, glory, somebody tell the Lord right now, Lord, show me your glory. Come on, all over this building, all over this sanctuary. Start telling the Lord, show me your glory. Oh, I can't hear the church. I can't hear the believers. Lord, show me your glory. When the glory comes, joy will come. When the glory comes, healing will come. When the glory comes, deliverance will come. Everything God is wrapped up in his glory. I need you to grab a neighbor's hand and just stand believing and say, show us your glory, Lord. Oh, come on, church. Show us. Lord, show us your glory. Lord, show us your glory. Lord, show us your glory. Oh, I can't find the church. I got to find the real church now.